Hello everyone, so this is the tapping part for Scarified. Seems that I missed this part when I made the Scarified tutorial. So it goes something like this. Sorry. And before you even tap, I want you to look at a few notes. So F sharp here on the D string, 16th fret. Play some scales here, so this is going to be like 16, and then just 1, 3, 4 fingers. Alright. So same frets on the G, so it's 16, 18, 19. Same frets on the G. And then you go to the 14th fret of D, so 14, 16, 18. Same frets on the G. And the D, you want to go to, and then you want to go to 12 on the D. So 12, 14, 16. And 13, 14, 16. That's pretty much it. Actually, again, you can, sort of. So 14 on the G. So slowly. So that's pretty cool. And right now, you simply apply a tapping pattern to it. So, your first finger would hold the 14th fret here, and but you would start actually with the tap. So that's the 18. So if you focus on these 6 notes, it would be, but you would do that with the tap. So basically, it's just one pattern there. So again, 18, 16, 18 with your left, and then 19 tap, pull off to 18, sorry. So real slow. And I'm just gonna slowly do it. And then you go E, but you start on the F sharp, right? And then it's D, G sharp, A, sorry, you do a bend at the end. So it's gonna sound something like this, slowly, sticking everything together. Go. Maybe one more time. So you may want to, some practice tips here. You may want to just work on this pattern on its own first. And I would start going between 2 strings. So and I would start changing strings diagonally. So you have this pattern right here, right? And you have to go here, right? So I would I'll practice that like a million times. And then so on and so forth. A side note here, if you would allow, would go back to A minor. So you can actually use this leg to ascend the fretboard. So let's say you start on like a A minor scale. So you can actually ascend the fretboard with this leg. Okay, so I'm hitting. Alright, so 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2. And then just move up the fretboard and carry on with the same pattern. So 5, 4, 5, 7, 5, 4. And then 7, 5, 7, 9. I can, continue, but let me do that one more time. Let's see if I can do it faster. Alright, something like that. Alright, a little sloppy today. So, but anyway, that's the idea there. And that's the tapping part for Scarified. Alright, so like and subscribe if you find these videos useful. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.